Hey guys, so today we're going to do our first example of solving trig equations. We have a pretty simple one here, and remember it's from the interval from 0 to 2 pi, so we don't have to do that plus 2k pi thing. We're just going to get some actual solutions here. And we have 2 cosine of x minus 1 equals 0. Whenever we have problems like this, the goal is always to get the trig function by itself, which in this case is cosine of x. So let's just start moving things to the other side. If we're going to add 1, we're going to get 2 cosine of x equals 1. Next, we're going to divide by 2, and then I'll get cosine alone. That's what we want. We'll be left with cosine of x equals 1/2. And what this means is the cosine of what angle in radians is going to give us 1/2. Okay, well, if cosine is positive, I like to think of what my teacher taught me back when I took pre-calc. A, S, T, C, all, I should write this to the other side. This is to help me figure out what trig ratios are positive, where they are. All students take calculus, and what this means is that calculus, in the first quadrant everything is positive: sine, cosine, tangent, all of them. Second one, sine is positive. In the third one, tangent's positive, and in the fourth one, cosine is positive. So if you know this, you can look at this and say, okay, cosine is positive, so I know I'm going to be working in these two quadrants. I just use this. I've used this in every math class since pre-calc, and I think it's helpful. So if you want to use it, you can. There's other ways to memorize it. So cosine x equals 1/2. So what in these quadrants, when would it equal 1/2? Well, we know we've got pi over 3, because that'd be adjacent side would be 1. Hypotenuse is always 2, so that's 1/2. So we can write that out. We got x equals pi over 3. Now, well, we know that the reflection right over this axis is always going to be this. It's going to be the same. So that is 5 pi over 3. And in that case, it's 1 again, and then the hypotenuse is always 2 again. So you got x equals 3 and 5 pi over 3, and it just wants it on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Those are our only solutions, so we have our answers. So 2 cosine x minus 1 equals 0 at x equals pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this was able to help. If you want to use this, it's very helpful. So thanks for watching, guys.